हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं प्रसाद सर। टुडे we are studied mathematics class 7 chapter 1 number, and that is the revision chapters. Now your starting your exercise 1. Exercise 1, the first question: fill up the blank with the help of these signs. This is greater than, equal to, or less than suitable signs. And how can these signs fill in these blanks? So first of all, you can see on your screen the question number, this one. Question number first: minus 2 into 9, we get minus 18. This is your minus 18. And minus 3 into 9, that is 27 with minus sign. Minus 27. So the correct sign is which one? This your less. This 27 is minus 27 is less number, and minus 18 is greater number. So we can put here this one sign. So this sign is greater. So you can write like this. This one is greater. Okay. Now come to the second question. Second question: minus 3 with minus 5, 15 with minus sign, and minus once again. So we get 30 with plus sign. So you can write 30. And here is minus 30. So minus 30, which one is greater? That one is greater. So you can put this sign. So the question second, put this sign. Okay. Now come to the third question. In third question, 4 into 9, that is 36, and minus 2 and minus 2, it becomes plus. So 2 to the 4 and 4 9 the 36. So once again we can write 36. Both are equal, so we can put equal sign. So in the third we can put equal sign. Now come to the fourth question. What about the fourth question? This one is your fourth question. Yes, this one is your fourth question. This one. So whenever any digit multiply by 0, it becomes 0. That means first number is 0. And second number is minus 12, 3 4 ja 12 with minus sign, minus 12. So minus 12 is less than 0, so you can write this symbol. So in the fourth question we put this symbol. Finally, in fifth question, 5 6 जा 30 with positive sign हो जाएंगे ये, और 32 जा 60, that means कि first is 60, this one is, इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई करके 60 आ गया, और यहाँ पे 5 2 जा 10 and 10 8 ja 80 with plus sign. This one is 80. As you know, 80 is a greater, so we can put here less than sign. So in last fill up we put less than sign. So your first fill up is completed. Now come to the second question. Find out the product. How can find the product? Find out the product. First, 4 and 5. Minus 8 into 5 4 ja 20. And 8 2 ja 16 with minus sign and 1 0. So your answer is minus 160. That is your answer. Now come to the second question. This one is your second question. Equal to minus 9 into 0. This minus 9 or into 0, it becomes 0, or into minus 2. So whenever any digit multiply by 0, it becomes 0. That is your answer. Now come to the third question. Third question is minus 42 into 6 into 3. So first of all, minus 42 minus 42 Yes, third question, that equal to minus 42 and 6 3 ja, that is the 18. You can put here 18. Eighteen 2 ja 36, 6 so 3 is carry, and 18 4 ja 72 and 3 that is 75, and and that answer is with minus sign. Now come to the fourth question. Five on minus 75. 5, this 5 and this 75. First you multiply, it becomes minus 5 5 jar 25 and 2 carry, and 5 7 jar 35 and 2 37, and into minus 7. Now minus minus plus, whenever you multiply minus, this minus and this minus, it becomes plus. Now first you multiply this one, 375 to 7, so 5 7 5 jump 35, 3 is carry, 7 7 jump 49 and 3 52, so you can write 2, carry is 5, and 7 3 are 21 and 5 is 26. So that is your answer. Now come to the fifth question. This one your fifth question. First of all, you can put equal to sign, and minus this minus or this minus, it becomes plus, and 30 into 25. How can multiply? 25 0 the 0, and 25 3 the 75. So you can write 750 into 8. So you can write 8 here. What happen in this? 8 multiplied to 750. How can? This 8 0 the 0, and 8 5 the 40, that is 0, carry is 4, and 8 7 the 56, and 4 is 60. So your answer is 6000. That is your answer. Sixth question, that is for your homework. That question is homework. Now the next question, that is third question. Find out the quotient. Find out the quotient. How can find the quotient? The first question, this one. It is your 80 first question. that is 80. 80 divided by 16. So how can solve? First of all, 80 into 1 upon 16. So 16 5 ja 80. So we get 5. That answer is of your first question. This first question. Now come to the second question. This second question equal to minus 24 divide minus 24 divide converted into and we can write 1 upon 8 with minus sign. Minus cancel to minus and 8 3 ja 24. So our answer is 3. Now come to the third question. This one is your third question. So how can solve this? Equal to 650 divide converted into and 1 upon minus 13. Whenever plus divided by minus, it becomes minus. And 13 5 ja 65 and 1 0 is here. So it is your minus 50 and that is your answer. Now come to the fourth question. This one is your fourth question. That is minus 170 divided by minus 17. How can solve this? So that one is minus 170 into 1 upon minus 17. First minus 17 minus cancel out to each other and 17 10 ja 170. So you can write here 10 as the answer. Now come to the fifth question. What happened in fifth question? Minus 256 into 1 upon 16. And this 16 divided to 256 we get 1 6. So our answer is minus 16. Now come to the sixth question. That is your sixth question. Minus 70 divided by minus 1. So equal to minus 170 into 1 upon minus 1. First this minus cancel to this minus and every digit whenever divided by 1 will become same. So your answer is 170. Now come to the seventh question. That is your seventh question. 0 divided by minus 18 equal to, whenever 0 divided by any digit, or you can say 0 into 1 upon minus 18. Any digit whenever multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. So your answer is 0. Now come to the seventh question. That is your seventh question. Minus 321 into 1 upon minus 1. Whenever plus divided by minus, it becomes minus sign, and 1 से divide कर रहे हैं, so that is 321 as your answer. Now come to the ninth question. This one your ninth question. 19 divided by minus 19. So what upon 19 into 1 upon minus 19. When 1 plus divided by minus, it becomes minus, and 19 cancel to 19, we get 1, and 1 into 1, that is 1. It is your answer. Question number 10, that is for your homework. This one is for your homework. And the next, put the correct sign, less than, equal to, or greater than. It is not given in my book, so you can do as homework by the book. Hello friends. Exercise 1, question number 6. Radha and Sohan eat 1/2 and 1/4 part of the same watermelon respectively. Now tell how much part of watermelon they eat together. So 1/2 part, this one, and 1/4 parts. They are eating separately. So it's an addition question. So how can add? So first you can write 1/2 plus 1/4. Taking their LCM, LCM is 4. The LCM of 2 and 4, that is the 4. Now 4 divided by 2. So 4 2 ja 4, 2 ja 4, and 1 into हो जाएगा 2. So you can write here 2. And what about 2 4? This 4 is divided by this 4, so we get 1, and this one is multiplied, so we get 1. Here is plus, so it is 1. Now 3/4. So answer is 3/4. That is your answer. That means they eat together equal to 3/4 part of watermelon. Question number 7. Total number of students in Mohan's classroom were 45, in which number of girls is 1/5 of total students. Find the total number of girls. So you can see number of equal to 1/5 of 45. So how can solve? 1/5 into 45, 5 9 ja 45. So it is your 9 girls. What's your answer? Number of girls equal to 1/5 of 45. Of converted to into, so 1/5 into 45. 45 cancel with 5, you get 9. So 9 girls. Question number 8. Total number of students in Mohan's classroom was 45, in which number of girls is 1/5 of total number of students. Find the total number of girls. How can find? Number of girls equal to 1/5 of 45. Of is converted into, so 1/5 into 45. 45 cancel with 5, we get 9. So 9 girls. Question number 9. A businessman is having rupees 60,000 as his total property. He gave 1/2 part of his property to his wife and 1/2 part of the remaining to his son and 1/2 part of his daughter. Now tell the amount of every one get. हर एक को कितना मिला ये बताना है. So first of all, for wife, one by two of wife get property 1/2 of 60,000. So of is converted into 60,000. Now 60,000 cancel by 2, we get 30,000. It's your first part. Remaining is equal to 60,000 minus 30,000. We get 30,000. Now the property of son. One by two of 30,000. Now 30,000 cancel with 2, we get 15,000. So it is rupees 15,000. Property of daughter equal to 1 by 2 into 30,000. So 30,000 once again cancel 2 with 2, so we get 15,000. So rupees 15. So your answer is 30,000, 15,000 and 15.